I think we should all create our own bank. I think we need to create our own bank. First, you set up a community trust structure, and then you appoint everybody as a managing director of a trust, you set up a trust account for everybody. Everybody pools all this together. You buy gold and silver with it, you invest it, and you pay dividends back to everybody in the community. That's how we could run an economic system and completely bypass the federal government and the international bankers. Every community could do that. Every church could do that. Every organization could do that. Every family could do that. And watch the wealth start shifting back into your heads instead of into the hands of those who really don't care about you. The New World Order has no concern for your money, really. They just want power and